Hi guys! Tara samahan niyo akong tikman itong Vito's Barbecue and this is located in Philinvest Avenue, Alabang, Muntinlupa, Metro Manila. Syempre, kabubukas lang nila last month, August 2023 at talaga namang sinubukan natin ang kanilang pavlova. First those 195 pesos guys, solo meals. Grabe, sobrang sulit dito. Syempre, titikman na natin ang kanilang crowd favorite boneless chicken and this is 295 pesos only. 9.5 out of 10. Ang tender, ang juicy. Grabe, ang sarap nito. And sobrang perfect lang talaga ng atsara dito. And I highly recommend their Java rice. Grabe, it complements sa chicken talaga dito. Sobrang soft lang talaga ng chicken dito at walang buto sis. Kakain ka lang ng kakain. And the next one of course is yung pavlova. 175 pesos only. And this is my favorite. 1,000 out of 1,000 to guys. Sobrang na-amaze ako sa pagka-crispy palabok nito at talagang habang tumatagal